All right, we're gonna give you guys a quick little rundown of the septic and the foundation blasting that we've done out here. All right, we got this STA dugout. We're out here at Sagamore Trail. This is Michael Bernstein job. Getting this STA dug in. Got a nice big 35,000 pounder over there, hogging out and ripping out this hole. We're gonna be getting into some hard ground, right where that grading blade is. This is 65 foot long by 12 feet wide by 3 foot plus deep on the downslope edge. As long as we get our sand filter down below original grade, then we're technically not a mound. So our cover layer and everything can protrude up above where the original grade was just a little bit, and that's still quote unquote not a mound by state regulations. So that's where we're at with it. Ryan Hansen is up there taking care of business on this dig as usual. He's our septic installer extraordinaire, doing great work for us. We're out here with Aaron Wells of AWS Drilling and Blasting. Just getting ready to start drilling some holes. We're doing a basement here. This could be a real nice house. We're in December now, so time is of the essence. Every day counts a lot. We've got short days, and we have windows of good weather. Good thing Aaron kept his eyes on that one. I don't know if you guys saw that. There was a little hydraulic pressure relief, but there he goes. Getting started. We're gonna do 10-foot holes here because 5-foot pattern, 5-foot grid every 5 feet in a square grid pattern. He's gonna over blast it, so basically he's gotta go down 10 feet, and we're going for 7 feet of total depth, because as the blast and the rock blasts out of there and breaks out, it comes out in puck marks, basically 45-degree cones upside down, face, opening up as they come up, because yeah, that's just the way the dynamite blasts and breaks out the rock. Hey guys, we're getting ready to blast here. This is up here, Sagamore Trail. That's in Gilpin County. And this, basically, I was talking to the blaster. He said this is some hard rock. This is dust from hard rock. When it's really white and light color like this, that's an indication that that's hard rock. And he said, yeah, we would have definitely had to blast. If we would have tried to dig this thing, we would have dug down about 2 feet and then pounded on it for a week or so, and then we would have called the blaster in anyway. So we definitely made the right choice here, just to start this whole project off with a boom and get this all broken up and loosened up, and then we're gonna go ahead and dig it all out with this Sani 135 from Equipment Share. Carson Geber taking care of business, getting us these machines. It's really helpful. Look him up on Instagram if you want to find him, or there's the phone number. But ask for Carson, he's the man. I want to move this thing, get it out of the way, because sometimes flying rocks can break glass. I want to get this out of here. We're about to blow up this little hilltop and put in a 10-foot deep walkout basement for the customers over there. They're just showing up. We got some beers. We're gonna have a good time.
Get the horns going. I gotta blow some horns on the top because it's gonna be loud for a minute.
You're gonna blast, Debbie? Are you gonna pull the trigger?
Uh-huh.
You are? That's pretty
Yes.
cool. It's your house after all.
Oh, whether it was or not, it's dynamite. Hello.
Yeah. Amy usually freaks out.
Fire it up!
Oh my god, that's so cool. Never gets old. I didn't know it was gonna be that big of a pile, Aaron. How do you feel, Debbie? Talk to the camera.
So freaking cool.
All right.
That was awesome. You guys get to do this all the time, huh?
Yeah.
They talk about feeling like a kid every
You
single
quit?
time.
You gonna go work for them now?
Yeah. Where'd that massive pile of dirt come from?
I know. It's the same dirt, just full of air. Isn't that wild?
What do you use? What's the compound that's in there?
So now we're gonna do the great truck shuffle to get Aaron and Aaron out of here. So we gotta make room to get Aaron out of here. Look at that mountain.
Dude, that's insane.
It's amazing.
Don't that frost make such a nice mat? I mean, you can look in the cracks there. There ain't a piece of rock in there any bigger than that. If it weren't for that frost, we probably would have had some stuff lying around.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it makes a super good blasting mat.
Oh, that's awesome.
So we're gonna have to, those chunks of frost that rolled back, we'll have to throw them up on the pile because I got 3 more rows I still got to drill in there.
Okay. I was just gonna kind of push and start pushing some of this stuff out of here.
Other than that, we're in real good shape.
So there's another road?
Yeah, we're gonna do more tomorrow because he broke a hydraulic line, so he's got to get out of here and get that fixed, and then we'll get back tomorrow.
Got 2 rows to do here, and then 3 rows full width.
Yep, and then we'll do the water line.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm gonna go dig up there too and make sure we don't need anything up there, but I know maybe we'll be tough on scheduling, but.
Now, it's looking like there's a pump in that well, huh?
Say what now?
You got a pump in this? Nope, we're good.
Okay.
So I can shoot right up to it.
Nice.
For future reference, if there's already a pump in there, I can only shoot with about 6 feet of it.
Okay.
Just keep dropping the pump to the bottom.
Okay.
Good. Fuckers off PVC anymore.
Yeah.
You know, back when it was steel pipe, galvanized, we could shoot right up to it and wouldn't bother with that.
Yeah. Oh yeah, Aaron, that was awesome.
Yep.
Living the life right here, huh?
Stay together nice.
Yeah. Yeah, it stayed in one piece.
Yep.
So this is the second build site of the little cabin, and we also hit some major rock here, so we're gonna end up blasting that second site as well. We'll be blasting that tomorrow morning. All right, we blasted up to this wellhead, and we blasted this whole second row here. Got this all broken up for us, and Jordan's getting it ready to start digging this out. It's gonna be quite the excavation. Probably could use a bigger machine, but this is what we got now. start by pulling all these little clumps of frost out of here. Build up a little retaining wall down there at the downslope edge of this spoils pile. These frost clumps. That'll kind of hold this pile from spilling over the hillside where we can't recover it. Use it for anything meaningful, backfill or anything else. So that's the plan. See how long this takes us to get this all dug out here. Estimating about 2 days. 12 hours, give or take. Let's see. Jordan's gonna have fun. And after a day's worth of digging, Jordan got most of that pile dug down, so we'll keep you guys posted as we keep making headway. Thanks for tuning in.